Hey, my name is Ben. Thanks for stopping by. So today, the GoPro Hero 7 Black came, and we promptly smashed it because it's supposed to be super tough and super smooth. We're not really sure who's
impact resistant.
impact resistant. Does it say that? Yeah, it does.
It does somewhere.
So we're going to do an unboxing of this because it's very exciting, but we're not really sure for sure if it's his or mine because we both
So
ordered
I'm
one.
taking the top, he's taking the bottom.
I'm going to take whatever is smashed here in the bottom. So I think the way you would normally open it, we should open it the way we normally open it. You have to pull this pull tab right there. Yeah, because we need to present the accurate experience. And then you would normally open this tab, and that would not just fall off of there. Let's see here. I'm going to turn on some better lights. Carry on. So now, all you have to do is pull super hard. Wow. Oh yeah, the camera's attached there, so it just like kind of comes out of its,
Maybe it was supposed to be.
Maybe yeah. I'm not really sure. Oh wow, look at that. It's very
Nice.
black. It's more black than the other black one. Hero 7 Black. Okay, all right. Well, carry on. Oh. It doesn't stand upright when the box has been smashed to this level. Step 1. Oh, you lift up the rubber thing. Step 2, you squeeze these little levers, and then it slides down. There it goes. Beautiful. Wow. Now, I wonder if it's exactly the same dimensions as the previous GoPro, so it'll be compatible with everything, but let's finish the unboxing first. There's some literature.
Alright, let's read through the manual.
Yes. All the fine
Page
print.
1.
How to charge. Now, the other interesting thing about the GoPro Hero 7 Black
My dad would start with the warnings.
is that all the other models that they're selling right now have internal batteries. This is the only one that has a removable battery still.
Oh, really?
Yep. I mean, I don't know if they're really fancy like 0 or what do you call it, 360 video. One is necessarily that way, and
Should
then
we
you
leave the
slide it
turtle?
out the back. Yeah, that's supposed to stay there forever. Okay, so it comes with a USB-C charging cable, and it has it slides. Oh yeah, you got it. And it has a sticky mount thing that you can put on your forehead or something like that. And here's the battery. They do not install it for whatever reason. And the rest of that is fine. So actually, this none of the stuff in our package was damaged. Too bad. So you press and then slide. So
In there.
press here, pull it out. There it opens. Here's the battery. So I'm going to grab the Hero 5 Black and see how different they are. So here's the GoPro Hero 5 Black and the Hero 7 Black. Are the lenses slightly different size? No, they're pretty much the same, aren't they? As far as like the dimension of the square.
Yeah,
the same.
outside dimensions.
So it's nice. They've left it the same, so all of your accessories should be compatible. It looks like. Yep, there they are. The back of them looks pretty similar. Okay, I guess we should peel off that turtle. You want to peel the turtle off? See if it makes any noise while you peel it off. Any turtle noises? Is it? Oh, it is way up there, isn't it? Nice. Press the power button. I think it's on this side right here, right? Yeah. Wow, GoPro Hero 7 Black. Look at that. And it looks better already. So we'll go through the setup process here. So what I want to try to do is take this Hero 5 Black and see if it fits in the Hero 7 Black enclosure, which I really think it's going to, which is fantastic. Yep, it does. And the latching mechanism closes the same. It just doesn't match. GoPro Hero 7 Black. Hero 7 or Hero 5 Black in a Hero 7 Black case. So we're going to install the GoPro app on the phone and then follow the instructions. And this is important because in order to have all the features that the Hero 7 Black offers, you need to update to the latest software. So we'll see if this actually needs to be updated or not. But I'm guessing it needs to be updated because when I called GoPro, it said, make sure you update your Hero 7 Black to experience all of the wonderful benefits of the software that we didn't finish writing during manufacture. So we're ready to proceed?
Yep. So open the utility drawer and tap connections.
Oh, sometimes the screen doesn't work. Well, basically go through the prompts and get the camera connected to the phone. And it probably varies a little bit between the iPhone and Android phone, but you'll make it through.